Hey there, curious minds! Welcome back to Tools for Kids, the go-to place for young adventurers like you. I'm Mr. Elliott, your guide through the world of tools. Today, we're diving into another exciting journey of learning and discovery, so buckle up and get ready for a world of knowledge, where every tool, project, and idea is a stepping stone to unleashing your creativity. If you haven't already, don't forget to hit that subscribe button and join our incredible community of explorers. Now, let the fun begin as we embark on another fantastic episode right here on Tools for Kids. Thanks for coming by. Now, it's a rainy day, so we're in the shop, and if you listen closely, you might be able to hear the rain on the roof. Let's show you what this is. Hey there, awesome explorers! Your tool companion on today's journey into the world of tools is a very special tool, the tape measure. Look at this nifty tool. The tape measure is like a superhero of precision, ready to help us find out just how long things are. It's got a long, flexible body with clear markings, making it the perfect sidekick for the multitude of measuring tasks. Whether you're figuring out the size of a room, or checking to see if that new desk will fit, or crafting something special, the tape measure is your trusty buddy. It's all about accuracy, making sure every project is just the right size. Picture the tape measure as a versatile tool that can reach into tight spots, stretch across wide areas, and give us precise information that we need. It's not just a tool, it's a reliable companion in the world of DIY and construction. Now here's the interesting part. There are different types of tape measures for various jobs. Some are compact and easy to carry, while others are longer and bigger for measuring larger spaces. It's like having a toolkit full of specialized helpers, each designed for a unique mission. So next time you grab your tape measure, think of it as your partner in precision. Explore its features, try it out on different things, and see how it adds a whole new dimension to your project. Alright guys, let's take a closer look at this tape measure. Now, this is a 25-foot tape measure. You can tell that because it says right on the front there. The tape measure can be pulled out just like this, and it's got a bunch of numbers on it. You see those numbers? Pretty cool, huh? This tape measure is in inches. See those big numbers? That's how many inches it is from the end where we started, right here. Now, if you look, it's got a bunch of small lines on it too, right? That's pretty neat, huh? Well, the big lines, we know those have numbers at them. That's a full inch. If you go in the center, that's an half inch. And then if you go between the half inch and the full inch, well, that's a quarter inch right there. Pretty neat, guys, huh? If you look at the bottom, it's even got the fractions written out for you. Check that out. This is a pretty handy tool. Alright, so we've got a block of wood here. Just a regular old block of wood, but you can imagine this is your favorite toy and you just want to see how big it is, or who knows, you're helping your grown-up with a project. You just take this hook end on the tape measure, put it all the way to the end, and then pull it down to this end. Now we can see, if we look closely, this block of wood is 17.5 inches long. It's as simple as that. But be careful when you let this thing go. It's sharp. You don't want to cut yourself, so let it in nice and slow. Thank you for joining me, Mr. Elliott, on this exploration of the tape measure here on Tools for Kids. If you enjoyed our measuring adventure, give it a thumbs up and hit that subscribe button. Let's keep learning and exploring together. Until next time, happy measuring. I'm Mr. Elliott, and you're watching Tools for Kids. See you in the next tool-powered adventure.